gorgeous. Matched with those great candles.
We did.
It is time for some Wicker Park. This is a 24-inch faux lavender and lamb's ear wreath. Clearance price of $39.99. 3 easy payments of $13.33 will get it home. It originally was $48. This is that soft, calming vibe of the spring that awaits us, that I'm dreaming of. It is a velvety soft with that lamb's ear, and it truly is just such a great statement. And it's beloved by customers.
Customer top rate. I love when things are customer top rated.
Yes.
That means people took the time out of their day to be like, I love this. This is how I use it. By the way, there's less than 500 to go around. So these are super limited.
Don't wait.
When you think of clearance, not coming back, this is a must-have.
It really is. Now, let's welcome in our friend Rachel Pavis to talk a little bit about this. She brings us all of the latest and greatest in seasonal decor. Rachel, it's great to be with you tonight.
Hello, my friends. Thanks so much for having me.
Thanks for hanging out.
Oh, my pleasure. You guys look wonderful this evening.
Oh,
and I was just watching Carrie with the candle. How pretty would this look with her candle in the center of it?
And 3 easy payments of $18.33 if you want to pick up the candle and the wreath.
I'm gonna grab the candle, actually. Sorry, Rachel.
Okay.
It's amazing.
No. So this is outdoor safe, which I think is spectacular because the realism that we use on this is so, so nice, John. I love that when you feel those leaves of the lamb's ear, they're super beefy, but they're also velvety soft at the same time. So you'll notice that kind of combination of textures, which just adds to the realism. I love, too, the silvery sage tones that you're getting in those gorgeous, gorgeous leaves.
It truly is that gorgeous, gentle look, but it's super realistic, and the feel of it is so soft. I mean, this is that instant way to elevate your home, whether it's the front door, whether it's indoors above the mantle, or whether you are using it, you know, as a little tablescape with the candles we just saw.
Yeah, so you can use this as a centerpiece. I also like to point out that another great application is if you have a chandelier. I like to put a wreath into my chandelier. So what I do is I turn it upside down and then I just use zip ties to attach it. And that works really well as well.
Okay, that is such a great,
That is a really
I should have
good
brought
tip.
a notebook today. I feel that every time I do any of these shows, I'm like, I need to take these design tips for my home.
Because that's smart.
And the fact that you're able to get this at this clearance price, I mean, this is that unique look that you are going to be excited to pull out year after year, and you're getting it at a clearance price.
Which no one would believe you paid $39.99. M93968. To place your order, 800-500-7590 is the number to call. This is on clearance, which means you're seeing a phenomenal price, but it also means when we're out, That's it. It's not coming back. So this is a great way to get ready for those warmer days when you want to start kind of brightening things up and like softening around your house. Like, this is gorgeous decor.
It really is. And I love the attention to detail that we get from Wicker Park.
That's right. And you know, the reason you get such great detail is because Wicker Park really is a division of Bethlehem Lights. And so Bethlehem Lights has been creating products bringing products here to QVC for, 25 years now. And so we created this division called Wicker Park back in 2019. And what I love about it is they're really maximizing that expertise that we get from Bethlehem Lights, who have been making amazing florals for years and years and years. But what we've done then here is we don't put lights on our Wicker Park items. They're outdoor safe, so these are treated to delay the effects of the sun. And that's something that I really like to point out too, because to me, the fact that we are able to claim that this is outdoor safe, you guys know that here at QVC, it has to go through really rigorous testing to be able to say that it is outdoor safe as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and you are just getting all of that gorgeous detail. I love how realistic the lavender looks, mixed in with those really velvety, soft faux, the lamb's ear. I mean, it's that gorgeous touch of spring that is elegant and looks like effortlessly chic to me.
Yeah. And it's just really such an organic feel. I love that the way that the lavender sprigs are nestled in there, it's fresh, it's organic feeling, it's just so nice for spring. And like you said, you're going to pull this out year after year after year. But as our customers have said, because this is a customer favorite, it's something that's so beautiful when you see it in person. Now, I've had mine for over a year, and I absolutely love this wreath. I use it in my own home. I either hang it inside. Sometimes I put it out on the front door for the spring because I think it is just such a beautiful, realistic, fresh organic wreath.
Right.
It is, and it's sizable. I mean,
It
24
is.
inches in diameter. It has a really great presence to it.
And at the clearance price of $39.99, if you can pick up more than one, if you can afford that, this is something that you will not only use on the door, you know, in its practical sense of a wreath. You can use this for those tablescapes and pick up more than one. If you are having those brunches for the spring holidays that are coming up, for the Mother's Day, maybe a graduation party, this is the way to add that touch of effortless elegance. People are picking up more than one,
Smart.
and 3 easy payments of $13.33 will get that home. M93968 is that item number. Call 800-500-7590 because this really is that tasteful, well done, realistic look. It looks like you just, you know, you're the type of person that goes out and picks the gorgeous lavender and puts it all in a wreath, but it's something you can use year after year.
Look at how well that's constructed. I want to turn it around again. I mean, Rachel, just down to even the back, how perfectly this is done. It's just very impressive.
Yeah, so that's a real kiln-dried grapevine base that we use on this. So it's going to be bug-free. You don't have to worry about that. It's preserved, so it's safe outside of the elements. And notice, too, at the top that we also included a little hanger. There's a little hook so that you can hang it on a wreath hanger if you'd like. You know, it works really well that way. But also that is movable, so you can bend it in if you need to. But just another little added detail that we do here at Wicker Park.
Yeah. By the way, we have a set of 2 hangers on QVC.com. I don't know if we can pull that up for $19.98. So if you're looking for that as well to help you get this hung up, but it's just a beautiful piece. Again, 24 inches in diameter. It's really sizable, but just the lifelike leaves, like even just the shading. I don't know if we can get in really close. But just
Yeah, because you're getting all those gentle hues of the greens and the purples of the lavender. It really is just that perfect reminder that spring is just around the corner, even though it is going to be 7 degrees here in Pennsylvania.
Let's not talk about that.
Yeah,
I
I need to bring this actually with me home so I can just channel the warmer days that are ahead because it's that gorgeous,
I'm in
lush
denial about
green.
that.
I am too. Now, those were the hangers that you can pick up at QVC.com. But again, customer top rated, a sale price. Fewer than 400 of these are remaining. Do not wait on them because when they are gone, they are gone. 3 easy payments of $13.33 will get this home. Rachel, it's always so great to get to spend some time with you. Thank you for bringing us such fantastic pieces.
Love you guys. Thank you so
Love
much
you.
for
See you
having me.
soon.
So great.